Hello, YouTube. Chicago, Milwaukee, and other Midwest cities are at high risk of the severe of severe weather in the outbreak. That is totally true for sure. The risk of severe weather will extend into tomorrow night across parts of the United States that are home to more than 200 million people, affecting the Midwest and portions of the Northeast. The main risks to lives and property will be from powerful wind gusts and, in some cases, tornadoes. The setup is similar to Monday's over the central and northern plains, which brought more than 200 reports of high wind gusts and a handful of tornadoes. The severe threat will slowly shift eastward across the north central states through Thursday night. In addition to tornadoes and destructive winds, some storms will include hail the size of golf balls or larger and torrential rain that can lead to flash flooding in urban and poorly drained areas. Some of the storms will also produce frequent lightning strikes. The likelihood at least the likelihood of at least some severe thunderstorm activity will span at least a dozen states from the plains to the Great Lakes region into tonight. Within this massive within this massive area will be a large zone where we expect numerous severe thunderstorms. The moderate risk includes Chicago, Milwaukee, Des Moines, Iowa, Kansas City, Missouri, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Duluth, Minnesota, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. The high-risk zone includes the Quad Cities metro area in Illinois and Iowa, Rockford, Illinois, and Madison, Wisconsin, and extends into parts of the Chicago and Milwaukee metro areas. A large risk zone will extend from parts of eastern Iowa to the southwestern portion of the lower Michigan Peninsula. The widespread severe weather zone includes the potential for tornadoes that could occur in the densely populated Chicago and Milwaukee metro areas. A massive zone where numerous severe thunderstorms are forecast will extend from northeastern Oklahoma to central Wisconsin, much of the lower peninsula of Michigan, and northwestern Ohio. Severe thunderstorms will also affect parts of the east through Friday amidst building heat and humidity. While these storms will generally be less intense than those in the Midwest, they will occur on heavily traveled highways and dense population zones. Thursday could bring the worst of the severe weather to the Northeast, with storms expected in or around New York City, Philadelphia, Baltimore, and Washington, D.C. Motorists, airline passengers, and those with outdoor plans should be prepared for disruptions, with the bulk of the thunderstorm activity occurring between 3 and 9 p.m. But there will be some exceptions where storms linger into the late night hours or form first thing in the morning. Power outages may become widespread and could last for days in some neighborhoods that sustain the worst damage in the Midwest. And as the storms approach and roll through the metro areas, especially in the Midwest, but also the East, travel delays on the highways and at the airports will mount. Concerns on streets and highways will stem from ponding and poor visibility, while dangers for incoming and departing flights will stem from powerful gusts known as wind shear, which are particularly dangerous for aircraft moving at slow speed during descent or climb near the ground. Flights originating from airports hundreds of miles away could be delayed if storms are expected at the destination near the time of arrival. The amount of thunderstorm activity tends to follow the sun's intensity. The period from June to mid-July has the highest potential for intense sun and is the busiest time of year for thunderstorms. When factors such as a strong jet stream or fronts are present alongside high humidity, these summer season storms can be intense. As cooler air moves in from the west, very warm and humid air will abruptly rise into intense columns that form towering clouds and thunderstorms. The storm's intensity will be boosted by jet stream energy. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.